Oh, my mouth's up there. Okay.
What'd you just put in?
Okay, I got the numbers again.
Yeah. What's that?
It's about the lobster.
Lots of lobsters. Maine, yeah.
Yeah, me. What's this? Okay, new things.
Tennessee.
It's a new thing.
Oh yeah, you played the guitar on there? Okay. I think you need Virginia. Well, yeah, it fits right into North Carolina.
And blue. And what?
Mm-hmm. They fit together.
Oh, that's Virginia.
Yeah, there's Virginia.
Okay. Oh, Ohio. It's out of Ohio.
We gotta have Ohio.
What's Ohio? Oh, cookie.
I don't know where it is.
Oh, Joe is.
There it is.
Right next to Virginia.
Right next to West Virginia? You're right. In Pennsylvania.
I forgot cookies.
Okay.
Okay.
I think you need New York.
Okay, so here's the York.
Who lives there?
One of pig
Yeah.
and a tree.
Happy Street, yeah. Sesame Street. Okay. Oh, you always need me to do this one.
I got one.
Well, this goes next to Florida. This is Alabama.
Okay. There's a powder.
Yeah, Alabama.
What's another noise? So, we need a turkey.
We need what?
Turkey.
What?
We need one. Okay.
Oh, you need South Carolina.
South Carolina.
Yeah. Oh, were you saying Mississippi?
Oh, that's Mississippi.
Yeah. I've never heard you say Mississippi before.
Mississippi.
Very good.
Mississippi.
Okay. I think you need Indiana. Who lives in Indiana?
Okay.
Who lives there?
It's right next to you.
Yeah.
Two.
Achoo.
It's blue.
Yeah.
Illinois.
Oh, yeah. Mommy was wrong earlier. Mommy said it was by, well, it is by South Dakota. I guess.
Right next to us.
What's that?
That's apples.
It's Washington.
Yeah, bought them apples.
You say Washington? Where does Arizona go? Yeah. Who goes to Arizona when it's cold? Yeah, it goes right next to California and Nevada. Oh, what's that? It's that blue one.
Okay. Where's the Mr. Potato Head?
Yeah, where's Mr. Potato Head?
I'm your daddy. Mr. Potato, Mom, your daddy.
Yeah.
And Mr. Potato, my daddy.
They live in Idaho.
Idaho. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you. You know what? Whoops. Oh. How's everyone?
Yeah, I was just looking for that. Do you know what that one's called?
Oh.
That's Kentucky.
Yeah,
They race horses there at the Kentucky Derby. What's that?
okay.
What's that there? What state is that? Oh, you got it right. It's right there. Yeah. Oops. Good enough. What state is this?
What is it?
What's?
That's a cow. That's a cow.
Where does that one go?
That's cow. It is a cowboy.
That's Oklahoma.
That's a cowboy.
Where does Oklahoma go?
It's a cow.
I'm not putting it in. You can put it in. You show me. Yeah. I knew you knew. What's that? Utah. Nope, that one doesn't go there. You're right. Well, it goes on top of... Where is that state? It goes on top of New Mexico, but I don't see New Mexico. This one goes up here. You can never find that one. I'll put it in. Wyoming.
I fixed it.
You fixed it. Okay.
Tissue. Here's the tobacco.
You're right.
Tobacco.
Nebraska.
Oh.
There's Arkansas. And that one is Kansas. I know. I don't know where New Mexico went. Are you sitting on it? Am I sitting on it? I don't know, but you did a very good job.
What's a tea?
Yeah, where's New Mexico?
What's a tea? You can find it.
Yeah, we'll find it later. Good job with the map. She did that all by herself pretty much.